Vyond, or Animaker. Two top contenders in the online animation world. Put head to head, which one really delivers? On one side, we have Vyond, the professional, easy-to-use animation platform. And on the other, Animaker, the affordable and creative video toolkit. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what really matters. Each category gets scored, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The final verdict may just surprise you. All right, let's lay out how we're going to compare these two. We've got price, design and asset library, user interface, animation quality and capabilities, export and output formats, and customer support. I'll walk you through each category, sharing what I liked, what annoyed me, and the quirks you seriously need to know. First up, price. So let's start with Vyond. Now, Vyond is honestly a bit on the pricier side. Like, the entry-level plan is around $49 a month, and you still get a watermark unless you move up a tier. On the plus side, they've got a few subscription options depending on what you need. But, if you're just starting out or want something affordable, Vyond might make you go, ouch, at checkout. Now, Animaker is way more budget-friendly. There's actually a free plan. Nice, but yes, limited. And if you want to go paid, it starts at just $10. Plus, they have these flexible add-ons, so you only pay for the stuff you need. But heads up, free users get short videos and that classic watermark. Also, the real powerhouse features are locked behind the pricier plans, as you'd expect. When it comes to price, Animaker just makes way more sense if you're budget conscious. And that's your winner here. Moving on to design and asset library. Vyond is honestly super professional. Like, the videos just look polished. The character movements, pretty realistic. The only thing is, you don't get a huge range of character styles. And honestly, customization options could be more exciting. Now, with Animaker, okay, get ready for options. So many options. You can choose from cartoon, modern, sleek, infographics, social media, even whiteboard styles. The template and asset library is basically overflowing. It's honestly impressive. Not perfect, though. If you're after photorealistic visuals, this isn't the platform. And yes, the animation itself isn't quite as smooth as Vyond, but for design flexibility and the sheer variety, Animaker totally nails it and wins this round. All right, let's talk about user interface. Vyond's UI is, just clean. Drag and drop everything. Beginner-friendly for sure. Seriously. My grandma could probably make a video with this. Character creation feels breezy, too. One little nitpick, the text-to-speech part, it's a bit clunky. You've got to fiddle with it. As for Animaker, wow, there are tons of features and controls. You want flexibility? You get it, but I gotta be real. If you're new, you might just stare at your screen for a while, feeling overwhelmed. The learning curve is steeper, so yeah, not quite as welcoming for first-timers. On user interface, Vyond genuinely takes the cake. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the most viewed Vyond video tutorial smashed over 1 million views? Yeah, that's a lot of eyes. Guess Vyond's got a pretty passionate fan base. Let's hit animation quality and capabilities. Vyond just makes characters move in a way that feels natural. There are tons of pre-made animations too, so workflow is super quick. You can knock out business or whiteboard videos, no sweat. It's legit. If I had to nitpick, you can't get ultra advanced. And the lip sync, could use a boost. Animaker, though, lets you actually animate frame by frame if you want, which is neat for unique projects. You get infographics, scene transitions, lots of creative stuff. But the characters don't move quite as smoothly as Vyond. Sometimes it feels a bit off, so if you care about animation finesse and overall polish, Vyond edges out Animaker here. Export and output formats. Always important. With Vyond, you can export as MP4, AVI, WMV, even GIFs, plus just zap your videos straight to YouTube, which is super convenient. One wish, though. It'd be nice if alpha channel export was a thing. Animaker is great on this front, too. You get HD exports, GIFs, image sequence downloads, even commercial use is supported. Slight catch, lower plans might limit your video length or total minutes, so you really need to check that before committing. Generally, both Vyond and Animaker handle exports like pros. So honestly, I'm calling this one a tie. And finally, customer support. Vyond is actually kind of awesome here. They're available 24/7, whether you want to chat, email, phone, or just scroll through community forums or documentation. Tons of users rave about their community resources, though there are minor bug reports and a little hassle here and there. Animaker also offers round-the-clock help, but it's mostly email or chat. No phone support, which, all right, may not be a deal breaker for some. Support knowledge base exists, but it's just not quite as extensive as Vyond's. For reliability and depth, Vyond wins on the support front. So if you're a spreadsheet person, here's how these platforms stacked up across all the categories. Some close calls, some clear wins, but definitely different strengths depending on what you care about most. Okay, so which one should you go for? Honestly, Vyond just makes sense if you're a business creating professional stuff. Or maybe if you're in education and need slick, easy-to-make videos. The workflow is buttery, and the animations look top tier. But Animaker? Yeah, it's super flexible. And if you're a YouTuber, marketer, or you just want lots of design options without wrecking your budget, Animaker's probably your hero. Different vibes, and both fit different needs. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.